Hi friends! Today we begin our virtual learning together and I'm so excited. I miss you all so much and I can't wait till I get to see you all in person. It was so good to see some of you at the parade today. Anyhow, I just wanted to give you just a quick tour of what it's going to look like in math every day. And my screen's going to look just a little bit different than yours, but similar just because I'm the administrator of the course. But every day you'll click on math and you'll see your math fact fluency, and then you'll see unit 4 fractions will be the only thing that's visible to you because that's the unit we're in. And when you click on that, you'll see that Mrs. Twinters had put in a few things that I hope will be helpful during this time. I've put in some parent tip sheets. So if your parents are saying, I don't understand, they can click in there to help you. And then each lesson that we do, there's a little overview of that. And then also, there is a video for each lesson that we do. So like, let's say Mrs. Twinter says, tomorrow we're gonna do lesson 7. We're not doing lesson 7, but pretend, then you could click there and there's a whole nother video. Mrs. Twinter's gonna post a video every day, but you can post, or watch, sorry, not post, but you can watch a video if things aren't making sense to you. Okay, so those are gonna be at the top, and then each day, Mrs. Twinter's gonna post a date with what you're to do that day. So if you click on that, so tomorrow, here's what you're gonna do. If you read the directions, it will show you exactly what you need to do. Mrs. Twinter's class, you guys should already have your MobyMax login, but if you need that, send me an email and I'll get that to you as soon as possible. But Mrs. Danner and Mrs. Hubbard students, you should have gotten an email from me on Monday that has that login information for you. I'd like you to complete your math fact fluency when you log in. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna see math fact fluency, and I think there's also a language button. You're gonna click on the fact fluency button and do 10 minutes of fact fluency. And then you're going to also, when you finish that, do the math placement test on the math tab, which looks like this. And I won't do a video every single day, but I just thought for our first day, I wanted to get you acquainted with what it's gonna look like. Yeah, so each day it might look like there's a video and then a Zern lesson, and then I might have you do an exit ticket and submit that to me. The directions will be clearly laid out each day. If you have questions or things seem confusing, all 3 teachers are available during a conference time, and you can click in a conference. Either if you want to talk to Mrs. Hubbard, she would be in science, Mrs. Twinter will be in the math course, and then Mrs. Danner will be in your reading course at the assigned office hour times. I think Mrs. Twinter's at 9 o'clock, and I think I'm noon to 1. Or yeah, I think I'm noon to 1 is my other time. So please let me know if you have questions. If things get confusing, I can set up a private hangout call where we can just work together privately if that's needed. Send me an email. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you're having problems. I miss you all, hope you're well, and look forward to seeing you all real soon. Take care.